What's up, Mike?
Hey, Kevin, how you doing?
I'm alright. I'm doing good.
Yeah, hey, you heard about the 2 new video games that came out? Street Fighter
Yeah,
and Mario Party
they're
9?
great. They're absolutely great.
Yeah, I really hope to get Mario Party
Best thing
9
ever.
soon, you know, because I
Yeah,
heard
I'm getting that pretty soon. Probably sometime around a couple weeks.
Hope they don't lack characters like they did in Mario Kart 7. I mean, that...
Well, I don't think they will. So far, they haven't been doing it.
Oh, excuse me for a minute?
Slow down.
Oh, nobody.
Who's your daddy?
Call me at the wrong time.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, play with my balls.
It'll
Play
go
with
off
my
this
balls. Oh, that feels so good. Yeah, just roll them around in a circle. Oh my God, I love it when you...
It's almost done. And right to voicemail. So, yeah, about the 2 games that we were talking about and stuff. Kevin? You okay? Yeah. I'll see you later and we'll talk more, so... Who called me?
Oh my God, that feels so good. Oh yeah. Oh, slow down. Oh
You
yeah.
called me at the wrong time.
Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Oh my